Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling Remote Desktop so the connection can begin. Open Settings, go to System then Remote Desktop, and toggle it on. This allows inbound RDP traffic. Next, verify your Windows edition because Home lacks full server features unless you use third-party tools. Create or confirm an account with a strong password and note the exact username. You'll use it when connecting. Finally, locate the PC name via About or run hostname in command prompt so you can reference the machine precisely. Once done with enabling, make sure the network and firewall permit access. Switch the PC to a private network so Windows allows discovery and smoother connections, then open Windows Security and confirm Remote Desktop is allowed on private profiles. If you'll connect across the internet, either configure a router port forward for TCP 3389 to the PC's local IP or, better, use a VPN to avoid exposing RDP directly. Also reserve a static local IP or DHCP. Now connect using the Remote Desktop app or MSDSC. Type the PC name or public IP, supply the username and password, and accept the security prompt on first use. Make sure network-level authentication is enabled on both ends for improved security and compatibility. If it doesn't connect, verify basic networking. Ping the host and scan TCP 3389, recheck credentials, confirm firewall rules, and reboot the PC. Key troubleshooting tip: if you can't reach the port, eliminate router/NAT or VPN issues before changing Windows settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.